Друзья, всем привет, меня зовут Трой и я рад приветствовать вас на своем канале. Сегодня мы пошаманим в фотошопе и добавим на фото немного фантастики. Данный туториал очень прост, но все же я надеюсь, что это видео будет для кого-то полезным. Напоминаю, все исходные материалы вы можете скачать по ссылке в описании, а также обязательно подпишитесь на канал, чтобы не пропустить новые ролики. Итак, поехали!
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a to get out of this maze and run. Please strike me thunder. Let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder. So I can be free. So I've come to the conclusion, I'm just one man amongst thousands. In this world I'll loathe them, sure they'll do fine without me. The chemicals in my head don't work as yours. Every piece of road is a little bit of happiness. Every kind of load causes a little bit less regret. Please strike me thunder. Let me get closer to the light. Let me go under the water till I can breathe. Let me go up, 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 let me go up. Dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Thing out like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go
Silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape.
Всем огромное спасибо за просмотр, жду ваши комментарии под этим видео, не забудьте поставить лайк и подписаться на канал. Ну а на этом у меня все. Всем удачи, всем пока.